सर अभी भी स्लो वर्क कर रहा है।
भी स्लो है क्या?
नहीं सही है अभी।
अब
सही है सही।
शिवानी अब आपका
अब
नेट
लगता है
सस्ता वाला है।
अब लगता है
नहीं सर हम सही बोल रहे हैं, स्क्रीन फंस चुका है, फिर से स्लो हो गया है।
अभिषेक
नहीं,
आपको
नहीं, सही
फंसा
है।
हुआ दिख रहा है क्या?
नहीं सर सही
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 है
है, सही है ना?
सही है।
शिवानी एक काम कीजिए, जिनको आगे दिक्कत लग रहा है ना वो रिज्वाइन कीजिए फिर से जल्दी।
हाँ, बिल्कुल
नहीं नहीं सर
सही।
ठीक है, नहीं सर ठीक है, हमारा नेट ठीक है।
तो मतलब झूठ बोल रहे थे कि फंसा हुआ है, मतलब बेइज्जती का भी हद हो गई।
हमें क्लास करने का मन
So
नहीं था
here,
सर।
देखिए सर तभी से क्या
सच
फंसा
बोलना
रहे
चाहिए
हो।
कि हमें नहीं करना है, तो सच ये बात है कि
सर,
हमें
बेइज्जती-
करने का मन नहीं है।
सर बेइज्जती और ठंडी
तो
जितना महसूस
let's say
कीजिएगा उतने
next-
लगे।
तो तू शांत रहेगा, मोदी जी बना देंगे तुमको अभी, नहीं तो हम। नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द थर्ड वन? नेक्स्ट इज वेरिएबल डिफाइंड विथ लेट हैव ब्लॉक स्कोप. So what is the meaning of block scope? Block scope means this curly braces. Okay, mostly we will, whenever you getting the word block scope, just consider this one, that curly braces. So whatever you had written, that is the part of this function only, correct or not? Suppose you have to write any other function and we written some any other function name is something different, greeting morning. Okay, so
टाइप कर रहे हैं
let be से हाँ नहीं दिख रहा है क्या बाकी को?
लेट से शुरू
फुल
हुआ ये
स्क्रीन
अभी जो आप
फुल स्क्रीन दिख रहा है क्या?
हाँ
बहुत
हाँ सर,
लेट से हो
लेकिन
रहा है।
वो स्टॉक होने के बाद आप टाइप करने बाद थोड़ी देर बाद शो कर रहा है।
एक सेकंड रुकिए।
यही बात तो सर हम बोल रहे थे, आप
नहीं क्या?
क्लास से किक आउट ही कर दिए हमको।
हम क्यों आउट करेंगे? किसी ने आपको ढकेल दिया है?
इस
तो लिखा
बार
हुआ था यू आर
इस बार तो
किक
सही
आउट बाय
बोली है।
प्योर टेक्नोलॉजी।
सर आपकी आवाज भी
वो
कट रही है।
आपको हमेशा जो है ना, अब भाई अभी तक तो स्क्रीन ही जा रहा था, अब तो बोल रहे हैं आवाजों कट रहा है। कुछ देर के बाद बोलिएगा सर आप हैं भी कि ऊपर गए?
नहीं सर आप तो ऊपर वाले रूम में ही है ना।
ऐसा नहीं बोले सर।
अब दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ सर।
हाँ सर
अब दिख रहा होगा, अब नहीं इशू होगा भाई। जियो अब जियो है।
अंबानी का है अब।
ओके सो
Power.
नेक्स्ट हाँ ओके सो हियर व्हाट वी गोइंग टू
सर एक बार
we
ये
going to
बता
create
दीजिए
one
ब्लॉक
another
स्कोप।
function. हाँ ब्लॉक स्कोप पर ही हूँ अभी। मीन्स see we written only one function, that is greeting, fine, and inside that we decide means we had taken one variable that is let b is equal to welcome, then we using that one means we are going to print the data whatever variable having, it will print in the console. Clear? I will do one thing.
Clear, sir.
I will take one more function. Okay, and in this function we will take another function, that is function name c, greeting morning. Okay, greeting morning, and after that bis. Now see that what is the meaning of block scope? Both function have same variable, bis is there, correct or not? But the value of both variable is different. That is a let bis equal to welcome and one have bis equal to good morning. What you thinking? Will you got any error? Hello?
No.
1 second, recording is going on
No
or
sir,
not?
no sir, no sir.
Yeah sir.
Okay. Yeah. How we will get error?
So because we don't call the function.
Correct. So we will not call, we had not called, so we get the error. Let's call that function. Greeting, and the next function GREE, greeting morning. That was not error. Means it's fine. What happened, Lalan? Not visible.
डेट से शो करता है, जब आप टाइप करते हैं ना तभी शो नहीं करता है, कुछ सेकंड ले लेता है।
What about others? What about others?
Same sir.
Same sir.
Same problem sir.
Same problem sir.
Let me check now one more time with here.
I mean,
सर स्टॉक हो गया अब।
Now check.
ना
Is it visual?
No,
Is it
sir.
visual now?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
No,
hashtag
no,
बोल
sir.
रहा है। लगता है सर
Okay.
आपका एरिया का ही नेटवर्क का सुन रहा है।
श्वेता भी हिंदी सीख
Maybe.
गई।
Okay.
सर
ठीक।
थोड़ा छत पे लेके जाइए लैपटॉप को।
श्वेता गजब कह रही है थोड़ा थोड़ा आती है।
एक सेकंड,
तुमको
धर्मेंद्र
आती है
क्या
हमको
बोल रहा
पता
है?
ही नहीं थी।
छत पर लेके जाइए।
धर्मेंद्र का मतलब बात ही अलग है। छत पे जाके हम ठंडा में बैठ जाए ना धर्मेंद्र, सही है। नहीं चल रहा है ना, नहीं दिख रहा ना अभी भी?
छत पे ठंडा मत फील कीजिएगा, बिल्कुल।
एक सेकंड,
ठीक है।
अभी ठीक है क्या?
यस सर।
हाँ सर।
ठीक है, देखिए तो लेट ग्रीटिंग इक्वल टू व्हाट वी हैड डन, we taken that function call, who is on unmute?
Okay, we'll tell.
अरे समीर टेक केयर, म्यूट के बगल में गलती से रिमूव हो गया ना तो परेशान कर दोगे फिर। Okay, so here we taken one function that is greeting and here we taken the function that is greeting morning. Inside both function, what is the variable? Variable is wish, let wish equal to welcome, and another variable is let wish equal to good morning. We not got any error and we got the output, but we have to get error because we had used the variable same. But what we had learned in the case of let, that let is, where is it gone?
Cannot
Yeah. Let is block scope, means the variable bis is there, he have the scope only where up to this curly braces, correct or not? Only this curly braces. Then in this function bis is there, this means this bis having this much scope only, means you are in your college, you have a scope that college only. If you going in other college, you have the scope in that college, means you can roam any department in particular college where you are. Got it? That 3 point. So what is that means what is block level and what is not block? So we will look that later. Or right now let it to be. But we can do one thing. Cut this line, pass outside. Okay, let's save what we will get output. I have not idea. Let's see. So we get the good morning. It's working fine. Correct. Please just speak. Otherwise, I means I have a net issue. Now
Yes.
do one thing. Cut this line also and paste here. Let's see what it will do.
Error
What happened? Now the error came. Why? What is the reason? Because now see.
before use we have to assign.
Clear and
So because we
initialize.
declare wish
Because
before.
the identifier wish has already been declared. Fine. Because see, line number 30 we already declared. Then inside function we are accessing that one. And again line number 37 we are declaring the same variable. Got it? Because in the function previously what we by doing, we by declaring inside the scope, means inside the function. So the boundary was only that curly braces. Now we had written outside. See this, minimize this one, then you will get idea. See, now this let b is equal to outside, that is outside, and this b is also outside. So what we had learned in the first concept, this one redeclare, let username equal to something, then username again b was giving, it was giving error. Same thing happened here. Let b is equal to welcome, then again one time we are going to declare. That's why we got the error. Had you got now that idea? What is the meaning of block label? Block label means within the curly braces. So let's cut this line and pass inside the block. Okay, and cut this line also and pass here. Fine, and save. Now see, we got the output. Clear? What is the meaning of block scope? Anyone having any issue?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Fine. So what we had learned in the case of let, we learned 3 concepts. That is, let cannot be redeclared, must be declared before use, and next is let is a block level scope, means having block scope. Next. So the same thing, whatever we had seen, these all are example of that itself. Variable defined with the late cannot be redeclared. You can accidentally redeclare a variable with late cannot do this. Means whatever we had done, this all are in the statement form. If you want, you can go there. Otherwise, whatever we had seen, that's fine. So where x equal to something he taken, again if passing that where x equal to 0, we can't take because it is a redeclaring and it not x means giving the permission to redeclare. Next, block level scope. See this block level means this curly braces. Okay, so that thing. See this within curly braces, let x equal to 2. X cannot be used here, means x cannot be accessed outside. Let b is equal to there. Okay, let's verify this also. Take this console, cut this. We can access this outside or not? If we will write after the function, outside the function, is this correct? This
Sir,
line
your
of code.
screen freeze it, sir.
मेरा स्क्रीन फंस चुका है.
What? Okay, just 1 second. What is going?
सर स्क्रीन स्टक हो गई है सर आपकी.
और कोई
Now see.
रिमेनिंग?
Hello.
जी सर, नहीं सर.
Now check.
सर हैंग कर रहा है, लग रहा है कि
Still
हैंग
that.
कर रहा है, उस टाइप के स्क्रीन है ना, उस टाइप से.
Now also same thing.
या
Let me reshare again. Now see. Now is this clear? Okay.
Do something on your screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
I
it is
selected that.
yeah, no,
It's
it is
fine.
okay. Yeah.
Okay. So what we had done, what previously we had written the console.log inside the scope, means here. Fine. Line number 37. So now that is accessible. What I be doing now, keeping this outside. Okay. So cut this line and paste here. What are you thinking? Will you get output? And what is the result? Hello.
Yes.
या सर.
What will be the output? This line number 39, whether you will get output or not.
Wish, very wish.
Yes sir.
How sir?
Yes sir.
Dharmender, mute. You have too much sound actually. That's it. Yeah. So we will get output, correct?
Yes sir.
Who telling this? Shivani. Let's save. Where is the output? This is not defined. Because this is outside the function.
Okay. If we return.
Sir,
Yes, sir, we
which
use
color is
return.
changed? Let which color is
After line number 36, if we use return, then
Yeah. Yeah, then it will be fine. Means
yeah, okay,
see,
okay.
this is not the variable.
Outside of
And
function,
you are
outside of
writing the variable, correct? And now we had written that we are using that variable outside the curly braces, means outside of the scope. So it will not give means the output. We have to
Okay,
pass
sir.
there because this variable, just imagine you are the member of your college. So you can access your college area. Means just consider this this is also like a member. So it will be available for that function itself, not outside. So now we will not get any error. Okay. So that is the block scope. But see, if we will take where, then we can get that value. We will check that. Don't worry. Redeclaring a variable using the where. Okay. Don't mix this. Just wait. Redeclaring where, then where let x equal to. So it already be seen. Okay. Late hosting. Okay. Let it be. Now come to the variable part. Where section. New file. So which one first concept we had seen?
Let
We had seen late. Fine. Now be doing with the where. So what was the first term which be recording is going on or not? Check.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we will look over the second part, that is where. So we will look the same concept. Okay. So what is the first condition? First condition is redeclaring. Okay. Let's see. So how we will make the variable with the help of where keyword. So same thing we will do. Let means in the place of let we will write where. Give the name. Sorry. Take any name. User name equal to and pass here Mohan. Fine. Now how we can check that? Means the output. Take log console.log and inside this pass username. Fine. Let's save and now check that the output we getting or not. So we got the Mohan because we had taken Mohan. Wait, let me comment this. Okay. So now we got the Mohan. Fine. Let second the same thing. Let where name and variable this thing. No need to explain. Everybody know that. Next this one. Clearing. Yeah. Okay. So now you have to tell how we can modify in the place of late. This was working or not? This was giving error
No.
or what?
Yes, sir. Give error.
Giving error. Fine. Let's comment this line first. Save. Be getting error. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Let's see the error also. What is the error?
Username
Okay.
already declared.
So that is error. Let's do one thing. Pass in place of late. Go with where. Go with where. Let's save. We got that output. Fine. There is no any changes. Now uncomment and redeclare that. Fine. Let's save. What are you getting the output?
Override.
Means
Override, sir.
it given the last output. But in the case of late, what it was happening?
It throw the error
Give
Thrown the
error.
error.
because
It
of
had given error.
yes.
It had given error uncount syntax error. Identifier username has been declared already declared. Means we can tell that a property variable can't be redeclared. Which one? Late. But with the where we can declare. Got it? Variable defined with the where can be redeclared. That is the main thing. So this one clear or anyone having any issue?
Override, sir.
Yeah, that's not an issue, but anyway, you can get the permission for redeclaring. Got it?
Yes, sir.
But in case of late, you can't get that permission itself. So that was the issue. So with the help means, but previously means before 2015 when ES6 has not came, that time we was using where itself, and this was the problem. Okay, that always you can redeclare. Means it was giving the permission of redeclaring, but when the late came, it start restricting that, so you can't redeclare again and again. It's the same thing. That is not good actually. If you redeclaring, that is not good. Now second was variable defined with late must be declared before use. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? We had seen this line that
Yes.
output was we had first you have to declare and then you have to use. Correct? Means first a declaration should be, then initialization or whatever you can tell. Initialization means assigning value. But here both thing is going same time. Declaration and initialization Both is going same time. Means first you have to declare, then you have to use. In the case of late, do this thing in the case of where. Pass this opposite. What is going on now? First we are using and then we are declaring. Correct? In this case,
Yes.
late, in the case of late, you will get error. It give an error, cannot access user school name before initialization. Means initialization is necessary. Do one thing. Remove this, add where. Let's say
Well,
what happened. We got something. What we got?
undefined.
We got, but it is undefined. Why we got undefined? Because we have
Because
not defined this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because we had not provided the value, but we can use that. Means we can do that. But in the case of late, it was throwing error. Got it? Means variable defined with where must not be declared. You can tell that must not be declared before use, but we will get undefined. Got it? We will get undefined. Now do one thing. Here we getting undefined. Copy this complete line and paste after this. What you will get means in line number 14 and 16, what will be the output?
16.
Is there any, we will get error or output or no any output?
Sir, I think
Tell me,
output, sir. Output.
Give output.
Yeah, sir.
What?
Output.
Okay, line number 14, what will be? What will be output in line number 14?
Sir, output would be DAV, sir.
Silent, silent. My मिलेगा. UNDEFINED. Here we getting output undefined. What about the line number 16?
Get output.
What will be the? Here we will get DAV. Fine. And let's verify we getting or not. So we getting that. Means why we get line number 14 undefined? Because we had not declared the, means we had not provided the value to the variable, but we are using, means we can use without the declaration also. Got anyone having any issue in this one? Tell me.
No issue, sir.
Now come to the third condition. What was the third condition? Third condition was block scope. Fine. Let's copy this same line of code and check. So what we doing here? Block scope. Remove this late. Pass where console.log this is there. Fine. Then console.log let it remove here also. Who is on unmute? Please, if you're not speaking, you can go on mute. Let's save. What we getting value? We getting value as welcome, good morning. Fine. Do one thing. What you can do? Take this console and write outside. What should be output or any error?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No error.
No error.
Yes, sir.
What about
Because
others?
where will
Is
work
this error?
globally.
What are you thinking? We will get error. Others
Maybe error.
will be error.
Maybe output will.
Error.
Sir,
Yeah, Shivani. So we get the error. What is the error? This is not defined. Which line number? Line number 13. Let's click this and let's see. Line number 29. It's showing line number 29. We using the this, but we don't know where this is because now this is available in this block. Correct? This is available in this block. Got it? But same thing we can resolve. How we can resolve? Cut this line and paste outside.
Yeah, paste before. Yes, sir.
What will be the output now? Now
Welcome.
output will be good morning. Just to see. There is console. Got it?
Yeah.
You getting this line number 28. Line number 28. See this. Be getting the good morning. Clear? Because that is globally available. So
If you use console inside.
okay. So do one thing. Cut this line and paste inside the function. Don't get confused. What we doing now? Be declaring the variable outside the function. Clear? And we are accessing the value inside the function. And let's see whether we getting error. So error is not there. We getting the result. That is line number 29. See that. Good
Yes,
morning.
sir.
Second line. Clear? Because this not having block scope. As we know that already on the top it is written let is block scope, but this is not block scope. Correct? Suppose that if you will declare, see on the top line, I will do one thing. I will pass here, fine, and I will write this let. Clear? And comment this line, remove this line itself. What you thinking? Can we use that one?
No, sir.
In this line, we had written b is equal to welcome, then we written console.log, and here we written where b is equal to something, console.log. What will be output and where this that will be error?
Sir, error
I
in
making
line number 20, sir.
Line number 20 and 21.
I making more confusing. 1 second. Yeah, now tell me.
Sir, I think
What?
we get two good morning.
What we will get output in all case. Here, what is the output?
Sir,
Here,
error.
what is the output? And what is the output here? Yeah, tell me. First one, what is the output?
Error.
In this
Sir,
case,
error.
error. Okay, second one.
Good morning.
Next,
Sir, error.
let's see how many time error we got. We got error in line number 26 because we are again redeclaring the variable. Correct? Because this is already in the outside. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
in the function. Correct? So this here we got the error. Fine. So do one thing. Comment this line first. Line upper line. And now let's see. We will get error. Line number 22. We will get error. First. Line number 22.
Line
No, sir. We won't get
Line
any
number
error.
22. This one.
Sir,
no,
error,
sir.
sir.
We
What
get wish.
we will get the value? 1 second.
Wish.
1 second. Who telling error? Are you
We
telling
will
this
get.
much? This wait.
Will,
You will get that. This. Who telling error? Approach.
Sir, Afroz, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
You're telling error. Okay. Why? Yeah.
Sir,
Why that will be
because
error?
this is not declared, sir, na here. Line number 22, sir. In this function, this is not there.
Say this. See this one. This 3 line. Console.log a school name be getting there undefined. After that, we had declared where a school name equal to DAV. Come to this line. We are using means we are writing the console, and next line we are declaring that. Correct? Means outside we are declaring. Let it to be whatever. Let's see where is the error. What happened?
Sir,
We got
means
error.
where anywhere we can use down or up anything, it will execute.
Yeah. In case of where you will not get error. This is the main thing. Okay. Because it will globally. If you not declared, you will get undefined. Okay. But means it going to override. That's why you will get your means something means value you will get. That is happening actually. Line number 22. Let's do one thing. Go in debug mode. Check. That will be more understanding clear. Where is the source? Yeah. So always we will use which one? Where late. Okay. So this line. Okay, fine. We will use always late. Yeah, we will always use it late. So now reload the page. Okay, now go line by line and check that where the output, what value it giving. Okay, so first it see it not started this function where the cursor is highlighting line number
26.
26 means automatic it got that one value, correct, because it started line by line execution. So function it will left because anybody will call function, then only it will work, correct or not. And who is calling, and it calling in the line number 35 and 36. Before that some variable is there, so first variable will start execution because see this, remove means minimize this one. Now see this complete line of code. How many time self execution will start? This one variable is there, correct. Second, this console is there, correct. Next, this function, then this function, and this both function will call only if this both will be come in the flow, correct or not. Once this both will call, that time only this function will call, because this both are depending on that one function call is there. But for this variable it not required anything because it is outside. So line by line execution I started and we got this line first. Clear? Go next. So first we got the value. What value we had got? We got where equal to bis, where bis equal to good morning. Means line number, this console line number 30 we get the bis. See. Okay. Let's check that. Eva also. Means see, due to globally declared this variable, everywhere the value came. Because the one line executed. See this. Everywhere the value came. And now we start execution. See that. Everywhere the value came. Because the line got executed. That was the point. Got it? Approach. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because that line has a start execution. That's why. Second, do one thing. Cut this both line and pass on the top. And pass this also. Cut this one. Now see the output. What is thinking? How the execution will start? First, this function will call because the first line coming this one, correct or not? Or variable will call. Let's see who is calling first. Let me change this breakpoint. Where this? How to decrease? Yeah. So let's say change this console. Then this greeting. Fine. Yeah. Fine. Let's say reload again. Yeah. So see, first line by line execution started. Line number 23 highlighted means that function will call first. Previously that variable was calling first. Now see it gone in the second. Click this. It came in the second line greeting good morning. Okay. Now what should be the value of this here? Is this a good morning or undefined or something? Is
Sir,
this
good
line?
morning.
1 second. This line got executed.
Yes, sir.
When?
No, sir.
It
No,
not
sir,
get
this
executed
time not
because
that.
this execution had started first. This time this function had executed
Acha.
first, and due to this function, this line executed greeting one. After that, second function call started. That is greeting good morning. Then second function execution started, and now it is inside that function itself. Means, and where is the value where this equal to good morning? This is available here. Now it not reached up to this line. Means this all value will be undefined somewhere. See, my God, everywhere it came. How it executed there.
Yes, sir. Because where, what globally?
Due to globally it came.
Yes, sir.
Before that itself it executed. Okay, it reloaded there. When we will learn more, means when we will get more and more clear, that time I will show you that when the function will start and who getting the value first. Okay. Now you will not in that situation. You can check here who have what are the call stack, who is starting first. Everything you will got here. Actually, what is happening by default when the call start means call is starting, that time everything will be got undefined. If each variable will got undefined, and after that the value will start assigning. It is where is that? Oh, that is breakpoint. 1 second. Yeah. Not saying okay. This variable fine. Closure scheme. See this type it is starting. This all showing there na scope, local scope, closures, then global. Like this way it is starting all the execution. Closure is the main topic of the JavaScript. In each interview, they are asking closures. Okay. Let's remove here directly. Second, stop this breakpoint. See how you can stop the breakpoint. You can click this. You will get all the breakpoint disconnected. Pause this. Go to console. See, that's I was thinking how this value will come. See in the both case, undefined is there and undefined because that line execution is not completed. Globally, that is only for when the execution will start, then only. See how this is working. What happened? First line executed, this one, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
First line, this execution started. This line executed. Due to this line, where it will move? It will move to function. This one, greeting function means line number 29 means line number 30. What will be the value for line number 30? Undefined or good morning?
Undefined.
It will be undefined because it not reached. See that output. Where is that line? Showing 37. One value is 30. Okay. One is 37, 39, 30, 37, 39. Okay, fine. So see. Yeah. So first this greeting started, and due to greeting, it reached this function. Correct or not? It reached this function, but this function up to now he have not the value, means he not receiving the value of this because as like this line, where is that line? As like this line, we are using that console.log, but we are still not executed that where a school name equal to DAV. That's why we had not crossed this line. That's why we not getting the value for this line. Clear or not? This one. That's why see the output 30 is the undefined. Clear? Because after this, when it will move out from here, it will again reach to this line. Then it will start the second line, this line. Then it will move to this function. Where is this function? This function is here. Then what is the value of again the console.log bis? Again, this will be undefined because this line execution not started. Correct? Globally means this will be available outside, but if that not get executed, how the value will come? That is the point. After this, once it came outside of this one, then it will again came here, and then it will go to next line. Then it will go next line, then it came here. Now the execution of bis equal to good morning came. Okay, so due to this bis, the last line, line number 39, the value is available. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt? If anyone doubt, tell me. Hello? Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
sir.
You are.
Clear? Or anyone having confusion still?
No, sir.
No, sure. No confusion, sir.
Sir, you can
Fine.
put 27 number line up to 23. All processes sir done, sir. It's not showing any error.
27 you telling where?
20, line number 27 up to sir, replace line on line number 22 or 21. You can put there, sir.
Okay, means you telling to put here.
Yes,
Is
sir.
this correct? Yeah, then now it's not the issue. Because
Okay.
see, what will happen now?
It will be
Now line
execute
by line
first.
execution is started. Yeah, this will execute first, and
First.
due to this, wherever the BC is available, it will get the value. Correct or not? Because that is globally available. Now this value will be available now because this is line 1 execution. After that, this function will execute. Then this function. When this line executed,
Sir,
Stuck.
hello.
Shweta,
Sir,
clear or not? Yeah.
Stuck हो गया था.
Now, who is on unmute? Dharmender, please. Now also a screen is stuck.
no, sir. Now is better. No issue.
Okay. If you have sound, please unmute. Otherwise, it become complicated. Okay. So now be moving on the next. So up to now, what we had seen, we seen that how late and where is working. Okay. And see in the top, we had given one example actually. That is all in one, this example. Here you can see that.
Sir,
Wait, I had already. Yeah.
sir, can I grab my dinner?
Yeah, sure.
I am also.
Okay, go and take. Meanwhile, just I will overview this one.
So I am also.
देन सब मिल के चले जाओ, हम बैठ के यहाँ पे गाना गाएं.
नहीं सर हम हैं.
क्यों?
सर,
आज खाना नहीं है
गाना
क्या?
सुनने के लिए
नहीं
आप
सर.
गाना गाने के लिए और गाना सुनने के लिए रेडी है.
मतलब हम अकेले ही गाना सुने भी या गाना गाएं भी?
नहीं, आप गाना गाइए, उधर से बोलिए ना कि हम है तो गाना
Okay.
सुनने की.
सर ये तब तक
See,
खाना
listen.
खाने आएंगे, तब तक आप रिपीट कीजिए वो.
Okay. So see here, what we had done, I written some examples. Okay, like a late.
सर स्टार्टिंग से कर रहे क्या?
This is just already some code is written already. Late where those things. So what we had done here. Let me comment this line. The example which we had given you today, that task count 1. Let count equal to, just uncomment this line, just save. So this was click me. So once you clicked, it giving you the value button clicked 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This was just the basic assignment we had given. That was it. Here we had used late and where. So in case of late, it will be scoped, but when we writing that late outside, okay, there will be no any difference between where and late, because in both case it will work. But if you trying to reassign, it will not. So that is the main issue between late and
ग्लोबल
yeah.
Where is
Yeah,
sir,
that
what?
is global. What I telling, that is globally. But if you what we had learned in the case of late, we can't re-declared. If we taken late count equal to 0, if you will take again late count equal to something, will it possible in the case of late?
No sir, it is give error.
Yes, sir. We can pass, sir. In line number 8, we can pass, sir, a count equal to a plus plus x like that.
Where I telling Dharmender, first tell me. I discussing
number
regarding
8, sir.
line number 5.
No, only
Line number
I
value we
discuss
cannot.
1 second.
That
Where
late
by
cannot
discussing? I discussing regarding line number 5. Okay. That is outside the scope. Inside the scope, you can do anything. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the thing. Because I discussing regarding this line number 5. You doing all the things outside. If you will do inside, you can redeclare. Okay. So this way, here we can take anything, late, where, anything. That's not the problem. But mostly outside, we will always try to go with the where. Never we try with the late. If you trying with the late, try to late inside the scope. Inside that will be fine. Here we had used that how we can check and what is the scope, like a scope. So can't access outside, and here can't be reassign late. That's where can be reassign. Everything we had written here. If you want, already code is there. There you can check that. Same thing, whatever we had discussed just now. The same thing this is actually. How you had that colors, Dharmender? Second.
Sir, using sir HSL value, sir.
Yeah, that's here you have to pass in document.
Yeah, sir. I'm creating one, sir, late, and then here pass, sir, in what
Yeah,
what, sir? Please.
yeah, variable will be required here.
Yeah.
Late count equal to, here you
Sir,
passing the HSS value itself or increment. Yeah,
Sir, HSL
Roshan.
and upper side we increment, then pass HSL, sir.
Okay, got it. Let it to be.
sir, I can't get anything, sir.
Why? What happened?
Because sir, I joined. I had joined sir late 20 minutes.
Roshan, say we can't go back.
Okay.
This is JavaScript, man. Why you not taking care? Otherwise, in video you can go through that. Please, this is not HTML. I telling you, and it is not possible that we can revise again and again because there are too much lengthy concept. Syllabus of that JavaScript is too big. How many member is available now? Shivani, Sweta, Shivani Kumaris, that Samir. You both guys came back. Shivani, you came back.
Yes sir,
सर
yes
मैं
sir.
यहीं पे
और वो
वो
शिवानी
शिवानी
कुमारी.
नहीं सर वो मेस में है सर लाइन लगा हुआ खाने का इस वजह से लेट हो रहा है.
ओके ठीक है, तब तक आगे चलते हैं हम लोग, फिर वो मतलब आएंगी तो देख लेंगे. See, Roshan, I can explain you in one word. Late you can use inside the function. Got it?
Okay, yeah.
That you have to keep in mind. Late always you will write inside the function, and
Because
where
limited
also you can
scope,
write.
Let have limited scope.
Yeah, that is a scoped. So we will always use a late inside the function. You can take where also, but don't take where inside the function. Okay, means always just think you will take the late. One time go through the video, you will get more clarity. Okay, for right now up to this you can, that's not an issue, you can get idea. So late block a scope, then const inside where will be globally a scope.
Global,
Now
yeah.
move to the hosting. What is hosting? Hosting means we were doing previously two things. Just wait. Underscore .js. In interview, sure they are asking, okay, what is hosting? Previously, what we were doing like a late, give any variable name, late username equal to and Mohan. Fine. What we doing here actually? What we doing here?
The variable name late.
We are creating one variable and we are assigning the value to variable, correct?
Yeah.
But in case of that hosting, we will not do like that. What we will do, variables defined with the var are hosted to the top and can be initialized at any time. Means if you taking variable like this way, put semicolon here, fine, and pass here user name. What be done? Can you tell me what we had done in both line? Can anyone?
I said, first of all, declare the variable, which type of variable, and then we assign the
Initialize.
value of variable, sir.
Yeah. So first we had gone with the declaration, okay, and then we had gone for the initialization.
Yes. Initialization.
Then we provided the value. Let's just check that we getting any
Sir,
error or
let
not.
variable always within a function, sir.
Man, that we can outside also. That's not the issue. Here we not taking the function, correct?
Yeah. Okay.
If we will take function, see, let means a scope. That curly braces
Why
is the scope.
are you always confused?
He had missed the class. That is the thing. He joined late. That's why he getting confused. So this is the scope. Okay. If you writing function, you can write inside this always late. But if you're not using function, you can write late or where anything. Clear, Roshan?
Yes. Now it's clear.
If you're not writing any function, you can write anywhere. But if you're writing function, write inside that curly braces only late. But here, but mostly we will write with function itself. Okay. Okay. So what we done here? Let username equal to something. Username equal to Mohan I passed. Let's save and just check. Wait, let me add that. See, Roshan, if we are starting class at 7 o'clock, please join that time itself. Because this is JavaScript, this is not HTML. Really, I will tell you. So what we had done? We done in the line number 1 that we had declared that. Fine. And in the line number 2, we had provided the value. Let's check in the debug. Is this anything we will got there? Let's see. Where is that source? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Where is the file? And let open. 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And reload that. Okay. What you got here? First line. We got username, correct? So username, and here we got username equal to undefined. Once again, which is there all in one comment. Okay. So see what we got here. We got late username. What is the value of username?
Mohan, sir.
Mohan. Where is the Sohan and Mohan? See this bottom
Undefined, sir.
username equal to. This is undefined. So initially, when you're not providing any value, that time you will get undefined, whether late or where anything. Fine. Second, check the second line, what you will get. What is the value?
Username Mohan.
Now username, you got the value, correct? And go next. It came outside, means now username become Mohan. So initially I will tell that when the execution started, so by default, whatever variable you are assigning, okay, you will get the value as undefined. Clear? And in the second, you will get the value which you passing. Got it? So that is the hosting. Hosting means declaring the variable. Means there is no initialization, means you are not providing the value. Just hosting means providing the escape, means a space you can tell. Where is the topic? Okay, so variable defined with the var are hosted on the top can be initialized at any time. Same thing here also we can do, meaning you can use the variable before it declared, because that is var. So where we can write and we can use, because anyway we will get undefined for the type of var or not. Comment this line and come with the var case. Var, fine, and let's save. What you thinking? What you will get output? Let's say debug. Okay, press this one.
First.
We're not getting there. We can't add. So let's see. Reloaded. Okay. Just 1 second. I don't know. Fine. So see the value here in the global. Had you got any value? Let's see.
No.
We will get anything here or not. So we not getting. See, this all events are there. Whatever event we had event today, like on close, on click, on change. See this. If you added any event, you will get here. Okay. So see this. Okay. So let's click next. But we got the value. So we got a username equal to that one. 1 second. Okay. So let's put the cursor. We got the value. Means there is no any difference in both cases. But what we will do when we assigning, that become hosting, and when we providing the value, that become initialization. So in interview they are asking what is your hosting. Okay, what is your hosting in the variable. So you can tell that. What you will tell, providing the value and declaring that. You can correlate like that way. You can variable find. Then next our name. So see here, who is on unmute? Roshan, your side. Okay. So next, these all are the small topic. Don't worry. If you want to learn more about hosting, study the chapter variable defined with the late are also hosted to top of the block, but not initialized. Means what happened? With the help of late, we can host at the top of block. Top of block in the sense where this line means on the top itself, but not initialized. Initialized in the sense value we can provide later also. Correct. Meaning using a late variable before it declared will result in a reference error. We already seen that. If we will not provide, means if we will not declare this value, and if we will use this line, we had got error or not in this case, because we are not initialized, means we had not declared, but we are using that. So we getting the error. In the late and where, whatever we will discuss now, already we discussed all the things. Try catch left lie right now later. So now come to the const. So what is the use of const? Please just speak. So what is the thing? Variable defined with the const cannot be redeclared. Again, the concept of a which one? Who was that not redeclaring? Who was that member? Late. Yeah. So create one function and let's see. Constants check. I not want the parameter, let it to be. Okay. So make one variable const and then user bit. I will write some value pi equal to, what is the pi value? Anyone know?
3.14.
3.14, sir.
3.14.
3.14. Correct?
3.14.
Yeah. So let's check that. Go with the log and write pi value and let's check that. Stop the breakpoint. Always try to open the console and do this all activity. Okay. What happened? Where is the function call? Now save. We got that value. Correct. So what was the first line? First line was variable defined with the const cannot be redeclared. Can anyone help me? What I have to do here? Variable defined with a
Yes, I
const
take
cannot be.
another variable.
Okay, so take another variable. Fine. Means again take a const pi equal to. I want to
Another
take
value.
22
Another
pi.
value.
Anything. Fine.
Yes, sir.
What are you getting from the term? Roshan, see, this thing is also in the late where. Okay, same thing.
Yeah.
So variable defined with a const cannot be redeclared. Means once you declared that const pi equal to this one, you can't take the same variable. Got it? So now we'll be taking the same variable. So it will give error. So let's see what happened. Const by is already declared. Clear? We can't take that one. If we will take any other value, suppose that we taken this, we can get the value because we had changed that variable name. So if we will change it, it will not give the error. Clear this line? Anyone having any issue? Now comment this. Now go to next line. What is the second? Variable defined with late. What happened? This late came. Oh, 1 second. This W3. Close this. Yeah. So variable defined with the const cannot be reassigned. What is the meaning of this one? Roshan, tell me. What are you getting from this line? Sweta, tell me what you getting from this one. Variable defined with the const cannot be reassigned.
Reassignment the assigning the value.
So this
Okay, but
constant cannot take for double, sir. I think. Or
any others? Any other?
Yes, sir.
What we
Can't
can once again.
declare same variable, sir.
That is declared. Means that is already be taken. That can't redeclared. Reassigned means what?
Sir, if we declared one variable, then we can't declare another with the same.
No, see this line. Reassigned.
Yeah, we cannot
This is
assign
one time,
same
correct?
value. We cannot.
Okay, yes, sir. Sir, like hosting.
Yeah, hosting.
Sir, we can write same name of variable.
Sir, it is executor
No.
and not.
कहाँ से आते हो तुम धर्मेंद्र?
धर्मेंद्र तुम कूद रहे थे बाहर क्या? धर्मेंद्र, this is your answer. We can't. It will give you error. Okay?
Only
सो गया लगता है एक बार. Yeah, it look like a late itself. Okay? So we going to reassign. 1 second. We going to reassign. So reassign that const pi. Fine. Pi value. And pi equal to 3.14 means first we are going to hosting. After that we providing the value and save now and check what happened.
Sir, error.
1 second, whose side this cut is?
Praful.
अब शांति मिला कान को. Okay, so what we done here? We had taken const pi, okay, and pi equal to 3.14. We can't do this, but if we will take late, we can do or not?
Yes, sir.
We can.
Yes, sir. We can.
It working fine, but in the case of const, we can't do. Means in the case of const, what you have to do? You have to take that same time. Got it? Means on the same line, you can't reassign. Means that this line should be in single. Okay, then only it will work. If you taking const pi any value you can take, that's not the matter, but matter is that can't reassign. Means you can't write the code in the second line. That is the main thing. Fine. So this becomes second. Go to next. Clear this one or not? So this is incorrect. When to use JavaScript const? So when you use a general rule, always declare a variable with a const unless know that the value will change. If you thinking that the value will not change anyway, then you can go with the const. Like, tell me, const pi equal to 3.14. Is this value will change?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It will not change because const.
This
No,
was
sir.
that
This is a fixed value, correct? If suppose you have to tell me some value, anything?
20/7, sir. 22/7.
No.
500
Any
rupees, sir.
other thing like this, sine theta. Suppose that we taking const
1/2, sir. Tan theta.
Yeah, sir.
const.
Sin 30.
Yeah. So const is sine 30 degree. I don't know whether we can take
Sin
like
30,
this or not.
but
Sine 30 equal to what is the value?
1/2.
1/2. Okay, fine. So see, const be taken sine 30 equal to 1/2 because this value will be always same. It's not going to change you. Correct. So whenever you will think that the value of this will not change, never, you can go with the const. But if it be thinking that no, its value will change, you can go with the late var. But don't think this much also. Always go with the late. That's it. Means already browser will give you suggestion. Take late or const. Okay, you will get that idea. So always you can go with the late. So what it showing that use const when you're declaring an array, object, function, expression. Okay, constant objects and arrays. The keyword const is a little misleading. It does not have a define a constant value. It define a constant reference to a value. Got it or not? Const value, it will not define the constant. It defining constant reference. Reference means this 3.14. This may be the reference. It's not going to tell that this is a constant for the constant value. We will know that what is the constant value. So because of this, you cannot, what you can't, reassigning a constant value, reassigning a constant array object, but you can change the element of constant array in the case of array. Let it to be constant array, let it to be, don't take this here, otherwise you will get confused. Constant object, block scope, remove this. Constant object, let it be. Okay, so block scope. Declaring a variable with const is similar to late when it comes to block scope. Clear this line or not? Anyone having issue? When we coming with the block scope, in both cases, the const and late, it working in same scenario, this block scope. But when we will come with the var, the situation will change. So the x declared in the block is example is not the same as the x declared outside the block. Okay. Next, see this one. So JavaScript const variable has a block scope. Like be taken already, const x equal to 10. Here x is 10. Fine. Here const x equal to 2. Here also x is 2. But what you thinking? Here x is 10. How? Wait. I will copy this. This is confusing. You all will get confused. That will be fine at least. Now you have to tell me the complete output. The function. Take this line of code. Console.log x, console.log x, console.log x. What will be the output? Fast speak.
10 to 10.
10 and 10.
How output will come? Function call is not there. Let's go in the output. What happened? It came 10. Why? Because the outside. Correct? Due to this 10, this came. Fine. What about this one? Which value is coming? Inside that. Const x equal to 2. Is this? 1 second.
No, sir.
No, sir.
But not
43, line number 43, sir.
Okay, this is the opposite side. Something is coming. Okay, that I thought how this came. So line number, see this. Line number 36. Where is the line number 36? Line number 36, this one. It came from here. Line number 10. Fine. Now go to line number, this one. First tell me execution process. Then we will go to the output. Which line will be executed first?
36.
Console.log
Second.
const x equal to 10, sir.
Line number 34. Is this will be
Yeah.
first or second, third? What?
First, sir.
Okay, first. Then
Yes, sir.
Second,
this line?
36.
Line number 36 will be second.
Yeah.
Fine. And what will be the output? Let it to
What
be
will
output.
be
No
10,
issue.
sir?
Let it to be output. Output will come later. Now tell me next line. Sweta.
Next
Next
line.
will be
43.
3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next line. It become third. Next line.
46.
46. Next line. After this, where it will go? It will go line number 38. It will go there. Correct or not? It will go line number 5. Next. Then this line will execute. Correct? This will be 6. Next line.
This will be 7.
This will be 7. Correct? Where cursor will move last? After this much execution, where we cursor will come back?
40.
44, sir.
44 or 44 or line number 49?
49, sir.
49, sir.
44. See, Sweta. Yeah, that's for you also. That's good. You are TCS guy. Okay, we can't ignore you. It will line number 8. Then after this, where the cursor will come back?
49.
Then it will come to 49. Means after 49, execution will complete. Because see this line number 1, that is const line by line execution started. Due to this x equal to 10, line number 2 will get value as 10. Correct or not? We will get here x equal to 10. And same thing we got here. See that line number 39. Where is the line number 39? 1 second. Line number 39, we got a 10. Correct? Okay. Then line number 2 executed. Where is the line number 3? This one. Because function will not execute directly. Function call will means this line will start, then function call will. So this line number 46, from where it will get the value? Line number 46, from where the value will come? Hello?
Sir, it will be take from value from 37. The sign over there.
46 be getting 10, but how that value coming? That value coming due to 37 line number.
37.
Because outside. Yeah, correct. So it is signed globally. Now, Rausan, don't get confused now again in globally. Globally means outside the function. Okay. So due to this, yeah.
Sir, if suppose 49 line would be at the place of 45, then second output would be 2. Am I right,
Yeah,
sir?
1 second. Okay, wait. Our letter will come down that. Don't worry. So this line number 3, it will get 10 due to the const equal to 10. Line number 37. That is first line execution because the globally. Okay. After that, this function call will start. And due to this function call, it will move to the function. Where is the function? Function is here. Got it? So due to this, it will enter inside it. This is const x equal to 2. So line means now x will be 2. That's why this console line number 43 will be 2. See this. Line number 43 is 2. Got it? Roshan, Praful, Abhishek.
Yes, sir. Got
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this line will be that 2. Now once after this curly braces, it will came back. Where it will go back? To the function call. Then the execution will complete. Now that as you telling, this will be not here. This will be not here. This will be here. Correct, Samir?
Yes.
So what
then
will happen?
second
Now
output
see.
would be 2.
1 second. Yeah. So see, line number this will be execute. Output will be same. Means that it will be 10. Line number 2 also it's same. Output will 10. But now this function will not execute. It will came line number 46 because the function call. Function will not get. So function call started. Now what happened? Due to function call, x will be 2. Means line number 42 now. Line number 43 now that is 43, that is 2 in the last one. It will came in the second. Let's see. It will come in the middle. Got it? It came in the middle because the execution sequence changed. Because this line number last console.log x equal to 10, it will be always same value because it taking this line number 48, it taking value from where? Praful? From where this line getting value?
Line number 37.
Praful, is that value from line, Roshan, is that value from line number 42?
Yes, sir.
Line number 48, he getting value from where? Which line?
Sir, 37.
37. Roshan, why not this one? This value is going there?
So line by line executing, sir, because this function
Because
is
it
declared
one
in
in a scope, sir.
1 second, Samir, 1 second. Roshan, see.
Yes.
You're telling fine, that's okay. But this is also const x equal to 2. And
Yes.
he asking regarding x. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the problem? He can get
Sir,
any x value.
Sir,
Yeah.
first cost x and equals to 10, sir, is declared, sir, outside of function, not declared in inside function.
So what is the problem? This is inside means what happened?
Sir, console.log is take sir inside variable const x equals to 2.
But what is the problem? Be declared inside. He want x, correct?
Yeah.
He want x and 2x is there. One x having 2 and one x having 10. Why he taking outside only? Why not inside this one? He can take anything.
No, sir, because sir in function they closed, sir. Big function is closed on line number, sir, 44, sir. So that
Because
he will,
the scope. Okay. He
yes,
can't reach the outside.
yes, sir.
Roshan, got it? He can't go outside. That is the reason.
37, sir.
Now tell me what you will get. Roshan and Vivekanand, tell me. And Abhishek, tell me what you will get now.
Sir, now it will take, sir, x equal to
X equal to?
2, sir. 2, 10.
X equal to 2. Which line? Line
Sir,
number.
take line number 39 equal to 10.
Line number 39. Okay. 39, 10. Fine. Okay. Next.
Next, sir, in line number 44, it will not execute anything, sir, because not declare anything in line.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
In line number 48, it will take comes at 49. It will come 10.
It will come here 10.
Yes.
What are you thinking, Roshan?
No, sir, I confused, but it not take 10, sir. Because of its even outside of function.
What is the rule number 1?
Variable different constant.
Vivekanand, what is the rule number 1?
Sir, one function cannot declare in the second time. Yeah.
We cannot reassign.
No.
What is this one? And what is this one? What we are doing here? We are redeclaring. Save, be getting error.
Take only one. Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
We can't reassign, redeclared. Because
Yes, yes.
it have a scope. This is not a where. In late and const, we can't redeclared. So that's why we getting the error. Fine. So if the same thing we were doing inside, it was working fine. Because the scope. Yeah. Due to a scope, now it's not reassigning because it bind in the function. It binded in the scope. Got it?
Sir, can you comment the line number 44? Then what will the object start output?
Now means for this line you're telling to comment.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think maybe get error or nothing is there. Okay.
No, it
X
will
equal
take
to 10.
10.
This yeah, this is global.
Yeah.
This is global will come. But see, this value you can't go outside. Okay. This value will not go outside. See this. But if you will keep this line outside anywhere, you will get error. To started call.
Sir, how get 2, sir? 10 to 10.
Which one? 2 times 10. You telling 2 times 10.
Yes, sir. Yes. First you 10.
This line number 50.
Line number 44 and comment, sir, first.
Line number 44 uncomment.
Comment.
Then what is the issue, man? Then all will be same. All
10, 10, 10.
One console is here, one console is here, and one console is here.
Yeah.
3 console. Clear? Always, if you are inside the means that curly braces scope, you have limited access. That is the thing. Got it? Okay. So whatever we had discussed, this is summarize of all. Like where x equal to 2, where x equal to 3, it is allowed. Where and x equal to 4, that is also allowed. Means if we had declared the value, we reassigning the value, and we are just passing the value. This all thing allowed in the case of where. Redeclaring and exit where or let variable to const in the same scope is not allowed. Means late. We can't do that. Reassigning and in const also we can't do. Whatever we had learned just now, this all things, the same thing is here. Okay, then where x equal to 2 you taking, that's allowed. Const x equal to 2, that's not allowed. Okay, because already x equal to 2 is there, that's why you can't go with again. Then let is there. Reassigning an exist count variable in the scope is not allowed. Then const, whatever we had seen, this all things is this one. If you want, you can go through this example, but already we had discussed this one. Then next topic is previously we had seen late hosting. Then now the term is const hosting. So what is const hosting? Const hosting in the sense variable defined with where are hosted at the top and can be initialized at any time. Clear? But you can use the variable before it is declared. Means if you had not declared the variable, then also you can use, like already be seen in the case of where. Let me comment this. Whenever you practicing, it means by taking this code, first you can uncomment line by line, you can check. Then you can, because once I pushing the code, you will get that all the code. Fine. So what are you getting from this term? variable defined with the where are hosted on the scope. Fine, meaning you can use the variable before you declaring. You can use the variable use in the sense log console.log and take that user name any value. Fine, and now second line is telling you can declare in the sense go with where username equal to Mohan and save. We get error. What are you thinking? We will get error or not?
Yeah,
Error will come. We will not get any error because in the case of where you can do, but in the case of late you will get error. Correct? In the case of const, what are you thinking? We will get error. I think.
Yes, sir.
It get
Yes,
error.
sir.
So that is the thing. In the case of where we can use before declaring also, but in const and late we can't. Clear? So that is the thing. Variable defined with a const are not hosted. Sorry, are also hosted to the top, but not initialized. Means you have to declare that. Okay, and then you can use. Meaning using a const variable before it is declared will result in the error. Using a variable means what? Using a variable console.log, it giving error. We seen that also. So that is the thing. So this is the late, where and const. Anyone having any issue? Now tell me.
No issue, sir, for me.
After 7 days, I covered day 1 material. No issue? Everything cleared?
So
So how many
they are
material you have,
completed,
sir?
sir.
What telling?
How many day material you have? You just multiply to 7 again.
Yeah, really, it will go like that. This is 23. And these all are very big topic. If I
23
will open
multiply 7.
50 pages are there. Now go with operators. What do you know about the operator? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Plus
If
minus.
anybody told by mistake also that I have no idea regarding operator, then he will sure take admission in KidG.
Sir, except
Then,
Sweta.
yeah. No, Sweta will also take if she don't know. Sweta, you know. What is addition? What is addition, subtraction? You know.
No, sir.
You don't know. Then please take admission first.
Kids.
Operator operator.js. So already we had discussed this thing. Where I had discussed, I will remind you. Just give me time.
In HTML, sir, HTML and CSS.
Yeah.
JavaScript में भी शुरू में ही लिए थे.
In JavaScript also we had discussed. So
Yeah,
see this one.
starting में के लिए.
Correct. And this. So we had seen this thing H1. Okay. Operator operator. Then suppose be writing something H2. Be writing something like, tell one any example.
X plus Y.
Okay, take Z equal to X plus Y. Okay, and let's save. Let's see there.
HTML में लिख रहे हैं.
Yeah. So see what we have taken, X equal to Z plus 5. Sure, X is something result, then Y plus means X plus Y, that will be some value. Let it to be. So just consider x equal to 5. Fine. Capital letter. X equal to 5, then y equal to 3, then
Z equal to
z equal to
x
what will be
plus
value?
y.
5 plus 3, that is 8. Let's save.
HTML में
So
ये
see,
ऑपरेशन करके दे देगा क्या?
Lalan,
and
what you
we are from
asking? Man?
Lalan, we are from KidG debate. सब्र करो.
Santosam param
Who
sukham.
who don't know this x plus y equal to 8? 5 plus 3 plus equal to 8.
नो सर, उसका क्या नाम था कि ये ऑपरेशन यहीं पे होगा क्या?
नहीं,
ये
ऑपरेशन
ऑपरेशन करके आप
HTML
देते
में
क्या?
मैथमेटिक ऑपरेशन करके दे देता HTML में.
No. HTML don't know that much. He is like assets.
या
Okay.
मुझे भी वही डाउट था बस.
Yeah. So see, what is there? Be written x plus y. Fine. So x means z is something, x is something, and y is something. What is those all? Tell me.
$2 ऑपरेटर.
Expression, sir.
Any idea? Any others? What is x?
मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन.
Sir, what question?
सर इन ऑपरेटर
Operand,
they
sir.
are assigning assignment
Operand, sir.
operator.
1 second.
Operands.
Praful. Yeah, Praful is correct. That is operand. Fine. Correct or not?
Praful are always correct.
This is operand. Then again, this become operand, and this will be result or operand again. I don't know.
Operand.
Operand itself.
No,
I
it's a
don't
result.
think. You can consider that as a result. Everything came. Then where is plus?
The addition operator.
Line number
Yeah.
21.
Yeah. So plus. Operator. Operator. Let's save. Where breakpoint required? BR is required here. So see what happened. We got this one. Here x equal to 5, that is operand. See this, x equal to 5, that is operand. Plus is the operator, and then y is the again operand. Okay, and this z is the resultant. So whatever value you're getting in the z, that become resultant. This operator topic finish. Okay, this is the thing. Let's see. Be taken here x equal to 5, y equal to 2, and we going to calculate something. Z equal to x plus y. Okay, and display z. How you can do? We can do with the help of again let x equal to 5, y equal to something, let z equal to something. Then you doing z. Fine. See this. First is assignment operator. What is the getting from the term assignment? We already seen this. What is the assignment operator?
Means in
Assigning
some
the
value
value.
assigning variable.
Who telling one more? Who had spoken?
Sir, equals to sign means assignment.
Equals to no, double equals to sign the operator.
Yeah.
That like
1 second. Double equal to
Compare it up.
plus equals to minus
Compare
equals
it
to.
operator, sir. Double equal.
what is
So
double
C-
equal to?
So that
Yes.
that type of operators used in a C language, like I think.
We are not learning C language.
No,
Double equal is comparative, sir.
Yeah, she is correct. That is comparing purpose. That is not operator. Means we will consider that also as a operator, but assignment operator means equal to, not double equal to. That will be different type of operator. That is assignment means comparing purpose.
JavaScript has some different operator, I think.
Correct. So let's see what we're doing here. Be writing this. Let x equal to 5, let y equal to something, z equal to x plus y, and a demo equal to id. So copy that demo. Where is that demo? Yeah, paragraph. And let's pass here. Let's see the output. So where is the output? Output become in the bottom. See that bottom section 7. Okay. So what is that operator? So operator, how that become? This become the output z, and z equal to x plus y, and x plus y is the 5 plus 2. Who don't know this one? This assignment operator. Assignment operator, will what it will do? It will take the value and it will assign to the variable. Got it? Like let x equal to this one.
Sir, we can also do console.log.
Yeah, yeah. All thing we can do. But if you will eat per day biryani, will you like again the biryani? Sweta, will you like biryani per day?
No, sir.
Oh.
15 days once.
Sir, I am okay with that biryani per day.
No, but I am not okay. Who giving party?
Sir, you only, sir.
Sweta will give. Sweta, when you giving, just tell. Okay, so here be taken let x equal to 10, then be taken document dot get element by id demo inner html equal to x. As like he want console. Let's see. So what we will pass here? Vivekanand,
X.
what value? X. Because x have the value. Correct. Let's check in the console whether you getting or not. So see this. We got the x equal to 10. Fine. So this way we can get value anywhere, wherever you want, you can go and print that. Fine. Now the main thing, what is actually, that is assignment operator. So what assignment operator will do? Assignment operator, right side will be value, left side will be act like variable. Okay, anywhere. What is here? What is right side?
Right side is the value.
That is value.
And left side is the.
Let me confuse again. Let y equal to x semicolon. Cut this line. Now tell me, Vivekanand, who is value and who is variable? And what will be the output?
Sir, can I explain, sir?
Equals to 10.
No, wait, don't explain. Nobody. Yeah, Vivekanand, explain. Who is value? Yeah, carry on. Oh my
100.
God. Yeah. Carry on till the output.
100.
Oh, 100. Who is the variable and who is value in the line number 8?
Sir, x equal to 100, sir, then y equal to then 100.
Yeah, so what are you thinking? This x, is this variable? Is this will be variable? No, that will be value. Means that coming indirectly as a value, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so save and let's see your output. This become 100 in both case, console also, there also. Got it? Suppose if we will take one more variable. 1 second. Oh man, here I had done mistake. Here I have to pass y. Now tell what will be the output. And here also pass y. What will be output?
100, sir.
100.
How?
Same, because sir, x equal to 100 and then y equal to x, then x equal to become 100, y become 100.
What will be now?
200.
100. I don't know.
Consider the block dot first Z, sir. Just put Z. Yes. Now it 200.
100. Let's save and check. 200 came because the x equal to 100, then y become again the 100, and 100 plus 100, it become 200. Clear? So that is the assignment operator. And in assignment operator, what we are doing, right side assigning to the left side, means right side will be value and left side will be variable. Everywhere you can consider that way. This is the value and this become the variable. Got it? Anyone having any issue? Now, if you want addition, what you will do? You will pass that value. I will comment and I will pass here itself. So what I will do, I will let z equal to, what I thinking one thing. Okay, let it to be, let z equal to x and plus y. Oh, sorry, why this came like this type? And now let x equal to 10 semicolon and let y equal to 20. So we know that what is the output in this case? Z equal to Z will be 30. Fine. Now go to multiplication. This become addition. Okay. So what is the multiplication symbol? That is a star symbol. What will be the output?
200.
Output will be just multiply that 200. What will be the now next will be
Division.
1 second. Who learning after addition directly multiplication and division? Where is subtraction? Learn A, B, C. Don't skip this thing. These are basic. So here we got minus because y value is more greater. That's why. Next, addition completed, multiplication completed. These all are arithmetic operators. So addition, subtraction, multiplication. What is this one? Double star. Let's go this one. 2 times. What is this one? Can you expect the output? Now jumping.
400.
No, sir. It's
Yeah, sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Power, sir. It's power. Not X
That
power.
is power value.
Yes, sir.
Dharmender, don't be intelligent. You will put here and you will tell that. See this value. I also know that. Okay.
No, sir. I will put 20 times of
So
zero
see.
on the.
So see, we can do. Suppose that you have to find out a square. Now see, this become 10 and that double exponent, this become power and power 2. Means what is the value? 10 square 2. See, in the console, you can do every programming. So 10 power 2, it become 100. And let's verify our output also. So we get our output also as 100. Clear? Next, this is division. Okay. Let's be clear in the case of division and modulus. These two things are always confusing. So what value you getting there? You getting 5. 2 5 modulus means 1 second. It become that's a 2 divided 10. It become 5. Fine. Let's 15. What are you thinking the output? What will be the output? Let's save. We got something 7.5. Okay. Just wait. So it was a division. In the case of division, it will give you the quotient value. Okay. Now go to the percentage. What is this one actually really? Is this percentage?
Modulo.
That is a modulus.
Reminder.
Okay. Oh, sorry. There is percentage value. Save. Yeah. So save. What are you thinking? What will be the output? Tell me first.
One.
Divide that.
0.152.
I think 3.
One.
Or
0.1.
0.15 divided 1.
Sir,
It's the reminder.
Wait. Afroz came after a long time. Yeah, Afroz, tell. He have doubt, sure.
सर 7 × 14 1 बच गया.
हाँ, Afroz, tell. दुक्का के खोरा नहीं आता है अफरोज.
कहाँ रहता है अभी से अफरोज?
See what is happening actually in this case. It will give you remainder value. Be careful. I had told that time itself. It giving you remainder value. Okay. But when we taken this one, what it given? It given what value?
Divide.
7.5.
UOTIENT.
Value, yeah.
Quotient value. Correct or not? So
Yes,
it was
sir,
giving
always.
that value. So be careful this thing, because when you will write program, in which program be doing this remainder one? Armstrong.
No, sir. Reversing. While reversing Armstrong.
Yeah, sir. Armstrong
Yeah.
also, sir.
Yeah.
And
In case of
replacing.
Armstrong, you will take that remainder value. Suppose you have to find out 2 number is Armstrong or not. That time you will use this thing. Okay. So don't worry. Who don't know Armstrong, put
That's
arm
fine.
side and a no, you can separate arm side and a strong side. It will fine. So next is increment. Okay, plus plus minus minus. So what it will do? Comment this line first. Comment this line also. And let's see. I did given that.
So daytime we seen this increment while increase the count value.
Yeah, that's increasing count itself. We had seen.
Sir, we can use
Okay.
we can increase value without using count, sir. Without any increment operator.
Yes, we can increase.
We can go with for loop.
Yes.
I think that I have not much idea.
No, sir. If you suppose initially we will get count is equal to 0, and after it we will use count plus 1, then it will be increase.
I have not that much idea regarding programming. I doing it during exam also. Just search in Google, you will get output. Anyway, first we have to get job. That's it. Who going to be Google? What happened?
So I'm with you. I always prefer Google.
During exam also. What happened? This one? Oh, sorry. X equal to 1. Okay. Now by doing x plus plus. Let's comment this line. That will be better. Plus plus. Save. We got 1. Okay. Y. And see, be careful and first understand this thing. Otherwise, it is too much confusing. It looks simple, but it's too confusing. Let z equal to save. What will be the output?
सर तो पहले z तो लिखिए तब ना उठाएगा.
वही तो z ही नहीं है तो.
वही तो.
So we get z equal to 1. Fine. Copy this one. Be ready with your paper, pen, and output also. And z equal to, wait 1 second. Okay.
Z plus plus.
Fine. No, in letter vehicle. So here, when we had written z equal to x plus plus, we getting z equal to 1. Fine. Do one thing. Copy this line, comment this section, and came down. and do plus plus x. What will be the output?
Output would be 2.
Sweta, what will be the output?
2, sir.
2. Why?
Because
Now, sir, if first, sir, x equal to 1, now z equal to plus x means first you will increase.
First increment, then initialize the value.
Then it will provide the value. That's why we get the 2. Correct?
Sir, for increment, if we use only single plus, then
that is not the value. That is wrong.
Same to.
Okay, clear. So plus plus be given, we got the value. When we doing minus minus, I'm sorry. When we doing x plus plus, be getting x value means what is the thing? First it printing the value. Got it? It first printing the value. After that it increasing, but after that be not writing the value. Let's write console here. And let's see x. Got it something?
yes, sir.
In the second line, it given you 2, but in the first line, it given you 1, because in first line of console, it had given you the value of x directly, because after printing, first it giving you x, after that it doing increment, after that it going to do plus plus, and due to this plus plus, the plus plus value got assigned to line number 16, where the variable had defined this line. Correct? And lastly, this is taking as a x. So x will be increased value. Last one. Correct or not? Got it? Some idea? Hello?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, move to minus minus. 1 pass here. 1 minus minus. What will be the value? Let's comment this line first.
1, sir.
Sir, 1.
Sir,
Really? Or
0, sir.
0?
0, sir.
1, sir. Why
We
0?
got to.
First print the value, then.
Yeah. So first it will print the. It will first print the value. Correct? And the next time it will go with the
0
after
value.
Then
decrement.
0.
Means a decreased value. So we got the 0. Next, go minus minus. What will be the output first?
0.
Sweta, 1 second. Sweta, what it will do?
0, sir.
0. How?
Sir, first we taken one number and number minus.
First, no, 1 second. First, it will decrease the value because starting it getting minus minus. Correct? It getting minus minus, so it will decrease the value. Decrease, and after that it will print. So decreased means that become 0. Got it? And now if you printing x, what you thinking? It will change or it will same?
Same result will
Same.
come.
Same,
0,
sir.
0.
It will same. Because after decreased itself, it printing the value. That's why. Clear? Anyone having any issue?
Sir,
Yeah.
in line number 22, we write x plus plus a comma x. What will be outcome, sir?
X plus plus
And comma x.
comma x. What are you thinking? Others, please. X plus plus. Due to that, what will it will do? It will give the original value. Correct or not? First line.
Sir, first first output would be 1.
1. Yeah. And
Yes.
second will be increased 1.
Yes.
2.
I think that, but I don't know what system will do. It given that. Correct.
Yes, sir. Again,
Because
line number 23 execute,
Yeah.
sir.
It will same. It's not going to change. Why it will change?
Because in that line number 22, x value already assigned
Yeah.
that over there.
That is the thing. But suppose here again you doing plus plus.
Then
last
we'll
will
get 3.
23 will get changed. Sure. 23 will
Yes,
get
3
changed.
value. Yes, 3 value will
Got
get,
it.
sir. Yes.
And in last, if you're doing minus minus, now tell what it will be.
2. No, sir. No, same result, because hereafter we are not going to
Sir,
execute
1, 2, and 2.
No, sir. 2 not, sir. 1,
Sir,
2.
in line number 22, 1, 2, and line number 23, it's 2.
Yeah, sir, correct.
I don't. It become 3.
Shivani,
Why?
because line number 23 no execution part. That's why result would be same.
See, Shivani. This become, what is the value here? X
1.
plus plus. It become 1. What about the second one?
2.
2. Then here it have to decrease actually, no?
No, sir. Sir, can I explain, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, line number 23, suppose you are consider minus minus. If line number 23 any execution part, no, then it will be value will be minus, because after line number 23 no any execution part.
Yeah, nothing is there.
Yes, that's why he passed value 3, sir.
Okay, let it to be. Don't be more complicated. Otherwise, whatever we learn, it will forget in the middle itself.
It will be khichdi, sir.
Yeah, don't be confused. Already functions are there.
So what happen when we write plus plus x plus plus?
Don't ask. You can ask in your mind. Otherwise, Roshan and Praful will silent. They will tell already function and event is making confusing, and this again the new term came. Okay, so see what we're doing here. This again the same type, assignment operator. Assignment operator already we know that equal to. Okay, then we are writing x equal to. What it going to do? This one. X equal to y means what?
It will be compare the value.
1 second. Vivekanand, what it will do? X equal to y means? Vivekanand, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. If we writing, where is that? Sorry. Let x equal to 5. Okay. And let y equal to 10. And I doing x equal to y. Is this correct? What it will do?
It is not correct, sir.
Why?
It false.
Means it will compare. What are you telling? It will compare the value.
No, sir. It will come.
So equal to is the assignment operator. Okay. Assignment operator in the sense assigning the value. In the math, we can tell that x equal to y in the case of polynomials. LHS equal to RHS. Correct or not? L dot H dot S equal to R dot H dot S. We are writing like this way or not? Oh, what is this location dot? We are writing like this way. Hence verified x equal to y, like this way we are doing. But in computer, we can't do this one. For equal to means assignment operator. As like let x equal to 5 means 5 is the value which is going to assign to x. If you have to compare, you have to go with equal to means double equal to and triple equal to. Got it? So double equal to it will compare the value. Triple equal to it will compare value and type
And
also. Whether
yes,
whether
sir.
number or string, it will whatever data type, it will compare that. So that is with the help of double equal and triple equal. Triple equal doing both, but double equal doing only value part. Be careful. But equal to it will be just assignment operator. But one thing, there x plus equal to y. What is the meaning of this one? Written x plus equal to y in the sense what you can do, you can just I giving you simple page how you can came with the normal form. what you can do, take this line up to here, copy that, paste here. Fine. Plus. Then take that. 1 second. No, don't write like this. First take x, okay, and whatever value is there, whatever this sign is there, change that sign. If you changing the sign, what it will come? X equal to and then plus. It will come like this or not? After reversing the sign of this one, reverse this one, and after reversing means this complete you have to reverse. In the sense, x also it will come here, and then what? Who is the pending last? Y is the last. This become your original form. Got this one? How you transferring this one? Whatever is written here, it is equal to this one. But in this form, you can't predict how the operation is going on. But in this form, you can easily verify that x is something, y is something, and how the addition is going on. One more time, I will explain. Can anyone tell me which one I told you? So take this line, complete line. Okay, copy this line, paste first, x plus, and take this equal to. Means just do one thing, remove the equal to, remove that equal to. After removing, this will come or not? X plus equal to y. Remove that equal to. Now it will be fine.
Yes, no issues.
Okay. And go with the first one. First one in the sense which is left side. X is in the left side, and the equal to you have removed. Put that equal to there. Got the point? Means remove this equal to. Remove this equal to. Now you become the x plus y. So who is the in the first? X is in the first. So write equal to there and pass x here. This is your original term. Okay. So
means
what
instead
you can
of
do,
that one, we can write these things.
Yeah. So what it doing? It adding self. Self in the sense, if you got 1, you want to add with yourself 1 plus next. It will add again, like that way it will move on. Okay. So let's say do that. We had written x, y. What is the short term? Short form x plus equal to y. Save this and take this in the console. log and save this. Log and then save and run this line of code. Let's see what happened. 15.
Yes.
How you got 15? Because it had added. How it added? And whose value become 15? Is that y? Is that x? Whose value is that one actually?
X.
X value is 15. How you can simplify this term? Okay, wait. I giving you another one. X. Wait. One thing. X multiply equal to y. Tell me output. Wait, Shivani, tell me output for this line.
50.
Sir, 50.
Samir, your name Shivani.
Yeah, sir. You think, sir? You think?
Gender मत change कीजिए sir.
हम कहाँ बोले हैं भाई? Okay, so what it doing actually? How it become 50? Shivani, tell me how you will break this x into and that one. Break that line.
Firstly, we take x into y.
X into y.
And after we assign the x equal to
X equal to. Fine. Sweta, had you got this idea? How it working?
Yes, sir.
Like this way it working actually. Okay. So now, Jan, tell me how we can write that shortest form. Here we will write division equal to. This one or percentage? Which one will be? I think that this will be.
It's division sign.
1 second. Where is the line number? 31. Fine. Division equal to x. Oh, sorry. Pass x value somewhat 50. Let's see. What is the value? Y.
Due to 27 lines, sir.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Due to these all line. Yeah, it came. Because it was providing the x value. And due to that, it giving again more and more. So now this division is going on. Sweta, now break this line into simple form because this is very complicated to understand that line. How you will break?
Yeah, sir. In place of sir, I have one simple rule. Can I explain?
What?
I modified that in simple rule, sir. Can I explain? In place of we can add symbol, place, minus, and that star symbol and divide symbol. In here, which letter we can add? That will be taken two parts and equal will give the answer.
Okay, tell me how to write. X equal to
X by Y.
X, Y, Y.
Yes, sir.
सर आधा मिनट पहले हम भी सोच रहे हैं क्या बोलना चाह रही थी शिवानी.
सच में मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था और श्वेता का आवाज अलग से गूंज रहा है. Okay, fine. Anyway, we got
बोलना क्या
everything.
चाह रहे हो?
Okay, so actually you know what this will be, when this will be helpful. If you have to add any output with yourself, okay, that time it is too much helpful. Means when the data are coming in from the array, now you are doing only one operation. If you have to use a loop and that time you can add something, that time it will be helpful too much. That time you will get the better result of this one. Okay, so these all things are same. The addition assignment operator plus equal to adds a value. See, now you will think that this is very simple, but please take that trick, whatever means in which way you are splitting that value, because in interview you will get confused. That is the thing.
Sir, first time I understood very clearly, sir. Literally, I'm telling, sir.
Which one? For splitting this one?
Yeah, this concept. First time I understood very clearly, sir.
Otherwise,
Sir,
this
copy 27, paste again and again. It is
no, I will not do. I know that output. Next, a string operator. We already know that concatenation is the things. Okay. With the help of concatenation, we can add. Means we can do that string. So
sir,
I will do one simple example. Yeah, but I will do one simple example. Vivekananda was not there actually. So let user data equal to 20 plus 30. Vivekananda, what is the output?
Wait, sir, 1 minute.
Calculator निकाल रहा है.
Fast.
50, sir.
50. Oh my God. Are you doing sideway coaching also?
Literally, yaar. सच में यार.
Okay. Vivekanand, be ready.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the output. Use a calculator now.
Sir, first of all,
Abhishek,
Mohan
wait.
before the 20, sir. Then again this question asked.
No. Don't make more complicated. Wait.
Sir, no issue.
Abhishek.
Vivekanand math is very strong, sir.
Abhishek, you also be ready.
सर अभिषेक है कहाँ?
क्या?
अभिषेक है कहाँ सर? 1 घंटे से नहीं है.
वो पता नहीं है तो हमको क्या पता. मैं जानता हूँ कि सब आए.
भैया ये तो अभिषेक जादू हो गया भैया. जादू.
Okay. Wait. Yeah. Vivekanand.
50 मोहन. मोहन है ना?
50 मोहन.
क्या कैसे नहीं
क्या हो गया भाई?
सर इस पे
ऊपर
तो
खींचेगा तो
सर यहाँ पे
आउटपुट होगा 20 30
50 मोहन
शिवानी
विवेकानंद।
शिवानी कैरी ऑन शिवानी
सर यहाँ 20 की
या
जगह पे 2 10 और 30 की जगह पर 2 10 अगर लिखे रहते तो विवेकानंद कहता कि 420
वेट
मोहन।
वेट
सर फिर से स्ट्रिंग और ये ऐड कैसे हो गया? आप तो बताए थे ना स्ट्रिंग के साथ कॉन्केटेनेशन
हाँ
करता।
सर मैं भी यही सोच रहा था कि 20 30
हाँ,
but
after the 20 then I ask this question sir again.
1 second. One
सर
thing
आपने
I
क्या
had
बताया था? जब स्ट्रिंग
wait
के साथ कॉन्केटेनेशन
wait. I had told one more things. It will start from the left side. Where is that thing? Got it?
That's why.
I had told one thing. It will start from the left side. The left side started. That become 50. Correct? Shivani and Praful. I had told this word or not?
Praful?
Process will start
याद
from
रखेंगे
सर लाइन नंबर 41
हाँ,
का हम रिजल्ट देखना चाहेंगे सर थोड़ा सा।
1 second. अब क्यों याद रखिएगा? पैकेज मिल गया है, टेंशन क्या लेना है? बाकी याद मैनेजर रखेगा।
आज तक नहीं आया ऑफर लेटर।
आ जाएगा,
रास्ते में
वो
होगा।
कुरियर। अब हाँ विवेकानंद, बी रेडी विथ दिस आउटपुट।
एक तो
विवेकानंद
बता
व्हाट इज
दिया
आउटपुट? हाँ तो इसको ही बताओ ना।
सर एक बता दिया, कितना पूछिएगा सर आप?
20 30 मोहन
नहीं
विवेकानंद
20 मेरे ख्याल से
20
30 सर 50 नहीं ऐड नहीं होगा
सर ये तीनों
1
रिजल्ट एक ही
second.
में आएगा, तीनों इकट्ठा रिजल्ट आएगा।
Why it will not add?
सर क्योंकि सर दोनों अलग अलग है सर, दो मोहन और 20
that are string.
So this is the output because this is the string. Due to this
Yes.
string, it will start from the 50 Mohan. Wow, Samsad, you came, but you came with perfect result. See, it will start concatenation. This is a string due to the single quote. Now
Yes.
this not become the number. Fine. Next, one more thing. You have to start execution from the right side. Right side in the left side means it will start from this side. Okay. Now next question. Be ready for the KBC.
सर कितने पैसा बता दीजिएगा पहले।
2 रुपया।
देखो
क्या चाहिए?
अभी घर, अब पैसा का नाम नहीं लिए, भिखारी आ गए सामने।
हम ऑप्शन बोल रहे
50 पैसा, 1 रुपया, 25 पैसा।
सर ये कौन बोल रही है, इसका क्या?
20 30 मोहन 50।
वाह, लगता है 50 रुपया लेके जाएगी।
10,000 रुपए आपके खाते में जमा हो गए।
बस लेकिन आप उसको यूटिलाइज नहीं कर सकते हैं।
प्रफुल आप घोर बेइज्जती कर रहे हैं।
प्रफुल हम लोग पार्टी कर लेंगे उस पैसे का।
सही हो गया।
हाँ
तो वर्चुअल मनी है सर।
वो बिटकॉइन की तरह है, आया गया पता ही नहीं चला। ओके 20 30 नेक्स्ट
इंटरेस्ट लगेगा।
हाँ
सर
इंटरेस्ट
कौशल सर, क्लास जब से स्टार्ट हुआ है तभी से पार्टी पार्टी का नाम जपा जा रहा है, कोई अभी तक पार्टी का नाम जिक्र ही नहीं किया।
एक सेकंड
रिकॉर्डिंग इज गोइंग ऑन।
या करेक्ट, don't use this thing, illegal word. Party is the illegal, this is ban in India. Okay Dharmender, make complicated. I forget that.
Inside that write any string plus some value
Where? Within bracket?
inside bracket. Yes sir.
Okay,
किसके
a
लिए
string
challenge
you
ले रहे
want.
हैं तुम?
Go with modulo operator sir, like you have to use operator over here.
ये चैलेंज किसके लिए बना रहे हैं?
Wait.
Plus take another bracket, then another bracket.
What are you thinking? Modulus inside modulus, yeah.
इसमें मस कम नहीं करेगा पहले।
Abordmas काम करेगा।
काम करेगा, सब काम करेगा।
बताओ।
After 30 sir you can write one string.
20 30 Mohan Ram 40.
1 second Dharmender, what are you telling?
Sir after 30. Yes. Here nahi sir, no sir.
Okay, inside.
Yeah, inside, sir. Yeah, right one is string.
The 20, 30 Mohan, Ram,
सर
40 Raju.
सर ये आप लोग हम लोग को
सर
कोड
इसमें
सिखा
कोई
के
एक
मैथ सिखा रहे
कॉम्प्लिकेट
हैं
बनने
सर।
वाले नहीं है, सारा वैसे ही है, सेम फॉर्मेट में जा रहा है।
आया ना?
क्या चीज आया ना?
ऐसा
40
कोई कॉम्प्लिकेट बनने वाले नहीं है इसमें।
होता है मैं भूल
सर
गया।
सर ये
मल्टीप्लिकेशन
कोड
की
मत
हुई
पढ़ा
है
कोडिंग पढ़ा रहे हैं।
Okay. So it's fine. Next, text 1 completed, text 2 completed, plus equal to already be seen that. Okay. Then assignment operator we can do. See this line of code. That day we had taken more complicated. Now I forget actually. text1. What will be the output? Yeah, now tell me.
Sir, as simple as that. What a very nice day.
What a very nice day.
As simple as that.
A very
What a
Sir,
very
you
nice
can.
What a very nice day. हाँ यही आएगा।
Okay.
as that, sir.
It got added, then it got in the
Sir,
next.
sir, repeat line number 53 again.
हद ना हो गई अब।
ना सेम है, एडिशन नहीं हुआ ना इसीलिए वो नंबर रहता तब हो जाता।
तो कर दीजिए एडिशन, जब उसी पे लगे हैं तो आप। सर 10 बज गया सर।
पूछिए भैया से। सर रिपीट कीजिए, पूछिए भैया से ही बोल रहे हैं, उन्हीं से
बताओ
पूछिए।
अल्लाह कर रहा है,
बताइए।
बताओ आउटपुट बताओ।
इसका आउटपुट आपको होगा 50 होगा आउटपुट।
भैया हम आपको मिठाई खिला रहे हैं।
भाई सबका
हाँ,
50 आ गया।
ऑब्वियस है कि आएगा इसमें मिठाई।
ओके सो असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर
धर्मेंद्र बाबू
वेट साइलेंट।
हाँ भैया तभी तो बोल रहे हैं आपको मिठाई खिला रहे
6
हैं।
तारीख को 6 तारीख को आ रहा है, घर मिठाई खिला देना।
वेट साइलेंट। नाउ एडिंग strings and number, what is that one? What is adding a string with number? It become concatenation, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Let's verify this line of code. Verify in the console itself. What is the output? Why? It have to come or not? It have to come. Why it given there actually error? Log and pass this value. Let x equal to be passed there. No, it not giving the permission like this. Let x equal to save and check. So we got the 10. Fine. Go with next. Make a string.
It gave 5, 5.
5 and 5. I think it should have to 5 and 5. That become 55 because of the string. Vivekanand, clear? Due to a string, if you will got a single string, it not going to perform the addition, subtraction. It will do concatenation. Okay. Once you got the string, it will do concatenation. But if you getting bracket, okay, so bracket will first, then it will move to next. Means BODMAS will work there in the case of bracket.
Sir, can you show an example, sir, for that?
Which
for
one?
Bracket. From
bracket, yeah. Go with that plus and take any bracket and do 25 divided by 5. It become 5 plus 2. What it will do? It becomes 7. Last will be 7.
Yes.
Correct.
And,
Then
and 7.
5. Yeah, now tell me the output. What will be the output?
First would be 5.
Sir, 5, 5, 7.
5, 5, 7.
Yeah, 5, 5, 7. This will be the output. Let's save and let's see. We got 5, 5, 7. Because this BODMAS will do first. Okay. After that, it will start from the right side to left or left side to right. Means this side. Got it? So this way it working. Clear? Now equal to double equal to. What equal to will do? Equal to will check value. So let's do that. log log console.log
सर थक
5
गए।
कौन थक गया? कौन? तुम थक गई? खाना नहीं खाई हो इसीलिए। होता है। So what will be the output? It will be true or false because it going to compare. हो गया अब इतना ही.
Yes.
It will
True.
compare. So 5 equal to 5. It's fine. Go triple equal to. Again it will be fine because both are number type.
Same type.
Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Now I will take another value. Okay. And go with a string.
It would be false.
With a string. Now it will be false because now it comparing
One is a string.
the value and type both. But when if it will be pass a string in both case, what do you think?
It would be true.
It would be true. Fine. Because now value is 5 and type is also a string. But remove this string and go with double equal to. It will check only value because
It
double
would be
equal
true.
to.
Yes.
It will give true because value is 5.
Same.
Got it? What is the difference between a double equal and triple equal? So double equal only 5 means only value, triple equal both value and type. So double equal to completed, triple equal to completed. Let's check to not equal to. What is this one? So not equal. Let's comment this line. See, don't think that this is easy. That's easy, I know. But we will use much and much more in the case of looping. So please be ready. Tomorrow we will start the looping itself because we covered approx 50%. So now, what are you thinking? Whether the output
False.
will be true or false? Means see,
False.
what we getting the output? Output is like a Boolean. Okay, you are comparing this value, and after comparing, you getting the Boolean value. Means 5 not equal to, and how we passing the symbol not exclamation mark. Sweta, with the help of exclamation mark, be passing not symbol. Clear? So it verifying 5 not equal to 5 means it will give false. Let's see. We got the false. Correct. Let's check that type. I don't know whether it will give or not. So what is the process of type check? Type of and pass the value and see. It not given that. It's
No,
pass
you have
like
to pass variable name, then only it will be given.
yeah. That yeah, it given that Boolean.
Boolean, yes. Okay.
Fine. Because be getting that value itself. Because true or false it's telling. Yeah.
What is Boolean, sir?
Yeah. So who is on unmute? Please mute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Boolean means it will tell you whether true or false. Okay. As like, who is this? 1 second. Okay. So see, as that Sweta, you know a string.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How you realizing that whether a string with the help of a single quote, double quote, correct?
Yes,
Or
sir.
third option is abatic symbol. With this all three, we can tell that this is a string, correct?
Yes,
If
sir.
you telling number, how you will realize number? No single quote, double quote, direct number means like letter will be 5.65 something. We will consider this as a number itself, but this is something different. But in JavaScript, that's not the part. If you will learn Python or Java, then you will get double, float, those things, those different data type. Okay. So next is the Boolean. So Boolean means, suppose anybody will ask you now is a day or night. What you will tell? It is a night. Okay. Let's compare. In the Boolean case, you will get only true or false. Means whether the statement is correct or not. So let's do one thing. Log and check that. I thinking that I don't know whether that it will compare or not. Just to go with number itself. Yeah. So 5. Wait. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Is this correct?
I think
Yes.
not, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
This is correct. because due to this equal to, it will compare left side and right side. Fine. Let's save and check. So we got the true. Let's comment this online first. Fine. We got true. Let's say go with another. Pass, then 1 second. Yeah. Do one thing. Remove this. Pass not equal to. What will be now? Not equal to means save 7 not equal to 1 not equal to 7. It become false. Correct?
Yes.
Now
Sir.
there is no any third condition. Means in case of Boolean, you will get only two options, whether it is correct or not correct. Like condition you can tell. Got it? So in case of Boolean, you will get only true or false. That is the thing. Two only means two possibility. Sweta, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Boolean means just two condition, true or false. So this one. Next, greater than, less than. We already know that. Suppose 5 plus 2. What is this one? What do you get the answer? 5 plus 2 greater than 7. Whether true or false?
True. False, sir. False. False.
It will give false because 5 plus 2 7 and 7. It is equal, but we getting false. But do one thing. Greater equal to. What you will get the answer?
Again false. No, true, sir. True.
I think true.
Yes,
So
sir.
it given true. Correct. Now go with less than condition. Remove this. So 5 plus 2 less than 7. What will be the output? It will be false. So let's see that become false. Give again equal to. What will be the output? It becomes again the true because equal to condition. So this type we are validating whether condition is true, false, greater than, less than, not equal to, that one. One more thing is that ternary operator.
Yes, sir.
Let's see this. This is most important, and
Yes,
we
sir.
can
Yes.
maybe you will not get idea now, but in case of if condition, we can get more of means we can get more clarity over that ternary operator. I don't know how to use it here. I have idea regarding for loop side. Is there any option? You can't verify.
खत्म ही कर दीजिए आज, बाकी क्यों रखेंगे?
फिर जाए क्या?
धर्मेंद्र देखो तुम्हारी दुश्मनी है, तुम बोले कि खत्म कर देने, ये बोल रही है जाए क्या? टर्नरी ऑपरेटर
सर कोई मुझे क्लास से रिमूव कर दिया.
वो धर्मेंद्र ही होगा. How we can verify it?
Remove by Lipto technology.
अरे मेरी माँ तुम माफ कर दे, हमेशा झूठ मेरे को ही फंसाते रहती है ये बार बार.
कसम से सर लिखा हुआ था लिप्टो टेक्नोलॉजी.
मैं यहाँ पर स्क्रीन खोले हुए हूँ, कुछ ऐसे धक्का दे रहा हूँ, मतलब हमको कोई काम ही नहीं बचा है.
सर तो वो क्यों मतलब कि ये
बताइए सर, हमको बदनाम कर रहे हैं.
जो अभी बोला ना कि बदनामी वाला वर्ड जो अपने जुबान पे लाया है, वही सबसे बड़ा चोर है. पकड़ लो जिसे पकड़ना है, वही है वो. टर्नरी ऑपरेटर कैसे चेक करेंगे इसमें, कोई आइडिया है क्या?
नो आइडिया, मेरे को मालूम नहीं, इसलिए मैं बहुत गौर से देख रहा हूँ ये चीज, क्योंकि जावास्क्रिप्ट
बताऊंगा इसे. ये मैं आपको बताऊंगा फॉर लूप में और इफ कंडीशन में. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते हैं इसको यूज.
सर कम से कम आप तो हिंदी मत बोलिए सर, रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है.
सर हमको पता है सर.
हाँ या अमरदीप, हाउ टू यूज इन नॉर्मली?
सर क्योंकि सर नॉर्मली यूज नहीं कर सकते उसको, वो यूज करना होगा. असाइनमेंट में कर सकते हैं, एक में कर सकते हैं. इसमें क्या होता है कि आपका 3 वेरिएबल होता है. अगर कि पहला
लाइक दिस वे,
पहले नहीं पता कंडीशन, उसके बाद अगर ये कंडीशन ट्रू का तो ये वैल्यू होगा और फॉल्स होगा ये वैल्यू होगा.
लाइक दिस वे,
एक्स ग्रेटर देन वाई, उसके बाद कोलन साइन होगा, उसके बाद आपका
this is condition true, so it will become we can pass here something like any condition that x equal to 7 or semicolon
इसको बाद में बता दीजिएगा सर, रन दीजिए।
या एंड देन
सर वो
एक से
इसके पास नहीं होता है, ये जो आप करो वो इसमें नहीं होगा, तो इसमें यूज नहीं होता है।
इफ कंडीशन में ऐसा कर सकते हैं,
इसको बाद में बता दीजिएगा।
या when we will start that looping actually, then you will get more clarity.
Yes sir, yes, on that we'll get more clarity.
Yeah, just 1 second.
नहीं मानिएगा।
X, save this. Left hand side operator, side in assignment.
रहने दीजिए सर, रहने दीजिए, बाद में बता दीजिएगा।
So what we covered next is the logical operator, okay, then type operator, then bitwise operator. These all are simple operator.
Bitwise operator,
oh my god,
yes sir.
1 second, actually this complete document completed. This all are just sample examples is below down. We had covered all the topic, just somewhat is pending, then that is here. Maybe increment already completed, decrement also, ternary operator example will be here. Just wait.
तालियां बजा रहे हैं कोई।
We had covered all topic. There is ternary, yeah, this one. See this ternary operator, this type you have to write the condition one time, if yes, otherwise no, like this way.
तो सर इसका वैल्यू कैसे गेट किया जाएगा, मतलब कि अगर यस होगा तो अगर हमको यस वाला वैल्यू गेट करना है तो उसका क्या लॉजिक है?
Be writing that if condition.
Okay.
And here be writing else. Correct?
Okay.
And then be writing the logic.
Got it.
We will not write this much lengthy condition. We will write just if condition.
ओके, कंपेयर करेगा, अगर वैल्यू सेटिस्फाइड हो गया तो इफ कंडीशन चलेगा, नॉट सेटिस्फाइड होगा तो एल्स कंडीशन चल जाएगा। गॉट इट।
जस्ट we will write one line of a statement, not that much lengthy.
Got
okay
it.
So tomorrow we will complete this topic. After that we will move next. Within 1 week I will complete JavaScript. Okay, so I going to push my code. I going to stop recording. Where is that record?
सर आप तो बोल रहे थे कि बहुत ज्यादा